Hello dear students, in this session I am going to explain you about the unit first digital documentation advance. I have already sent you the notes of this chapter, that is style. This is the chapter first of the unit first digital documentation. The first topic is style. What is a style? If we talk about the definition, the style is a predefined combination of various formatting features like font style, font size, color of the text, and etc. And then I have explained to you in the Zoom class that is various categories of style. There are 5 most categories: paragraph, character, link. Link means paragraph and character both. Next one is table and list. After then I have discussed applying style, how to apply style. There are 2 ways to apply the style. First one, applying the style from the style group, and the second one is applying the style from the style pane. After then I have discussed about how to create a new style, right? So don't worry, I am not going to explain you all the things theory in this video class. Practically I will show you how you will create the new style, how you apply the new style, or what is the style. Fine. So let's start the class. So basically style is a predefined combination of various formatting features. Okay. So first I am going to open MS Word. This one is the new page of the MS Word. So here you write something, then you will apply it. So for that purpose I just copy the definition of the style. Fine. Okay. So this is my definition, and suppose I have divided into 2 paragraphs. This one is the first paragraph and this one is the second paragraph. So the first one is how you will apply the style. My first topic is how to apply the style. There are 2 ways I have explained in theory. First one is applying style from the style group, and the second one is applying style from the style pane. So let's talk about the first method, that is applying style from the style group. So this is our document. You have written, suppose you have written anything, okay, anything, whatever you have written. Select that paragraph or the document or the text that you want to apply the style in the style pane. This is my style pane, okay, style group. This is your style group. Now see, normal, when you click on the normal, now see, this has been changed. Now the style of this paragraph changed. If you press on the no spacing style, it selected no heading. Suppose I have select the heading 1 style. Now see the heading 1 of the style. If you apply the heading 2 title, suppose I have given the title style. Now see, this is my this original style and this one is the new style. So how you apply the style? The style of this paragraph I have given the title. So this is how you can change, right? Now the next one is applying style from the style pane. Second paragraph, the style of second paragraph, I will apply the style from the style pane. So first one is you should know how to open the style pane. How to open the style pane. Okay. So for this, now see, this is your style group. In the style group, at the bottom side, you will see this arrow. As soon as you click on this arrow, this is your style pane will open. Okay. I am going to show you one more time here. In the style group, at the bottom side, you will get the small arrow. As soon as you click, you will open the style pane, or the here is shortcut key is also written. What is the shortcut key to open the style pane? Is Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S. How to open? The shortcut key Alt plus Control plus shift plus S. So I'm going to open the style pane with this shortcut key, Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S. Now see, the style pane will appear. So and suppose in the second paragraph I want to apply the style from this style pane. You can select any style. Suppose I have selected this strong. Now see, the style of my paragraph has been changed. Now the name of this style is strong. Okay, so this is how you can apply the style. Either you can apply a style from the style group and apply style from the style pane. Now the next topic I have explained to you, this one, creating a new style. How to create a new style? Suppose you are not satisfied the style, all the style it has given. Okay, these are the style given. These are the predefined style like normal, no space, heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, emphasis, strong, quote. These are the styles given. Suppose you are not satisfied with the style and you want to create your own style. How you can do this? So the first one is you have to go through, open the style pane. Okay, either you can click on this or the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key I have explained to you? Can you speak? Alt Control Shift I. Sorry, Alt Control Shift S. Okay, S for style. Alt Control Shift plus S. Okay, at the bottom side, at this icon you will see the new style. Okay, here this icon you have to click on this icon, new style. I just click in, then creating new style for formatting window will appear. Okay, the name of the style that you want to give, suppose I give my name Mahendra underscore style. I just want to give the my name. Style type, I have explained there are 5 types of style: list, table, link, character, paragraph. Suppose I want to select the paragraph. Next, style based on. Okay, suppose I have selected style based on heading 1. Based on heading 1 and style for the following paragraph. Suppose I have selected style. Okay. Then what are the font? Times New Roman, Lucida Console. What the font you want to give? So I just want to give the unique font so that you can able to get the clear difference. Let me select any font which is unique. Suppose I have selected this Lucida Console. Okay, and size I just want to give a big size, 24, or let's just give the 28. Bold, italic, underline. Okay, all 3 I have selected, and this is the alignment. Suppose I want alignment at the middle. Okay, at the center. And suppose you from this window you can select the color. I have selected the color green. Okay, as soon as press the OK button, now see, here is my style is appear, Mahendra underscore style. Okay, this is I have created my style. You can create your own style. You can give the any name. So suppose this paragraph I have selected and want to change with the my style. Now see, automatically this paragraph is changed. All the formatting feature, text size, text font color, font size, all the things that you have given in my style automatically change. So this is how you can create your own style. Okay, I think this one is pretty much clear to you. And the next one is I have explained to you how to modify a style. You can modify that. What is the meaning of modify? Means change. Suppose I have created my style and I want to just modify it, do some modification. Okay, suppose this color I want some different color, like I want the color yellow. Okay, so how can we just modify the style which you want to modify? Just right click from the your mouse. As soon as you right click on that name, I have created this Mahendra underscore style and I want to modify. How you can do this? Just modify, just right click on this style name which you want to modify, then you will get the option of modify. Okay, click on this modify button, so you will get the modify style. Suppose you want to change the name, paragraph, whatever the change you want to done, you can give. Suppose for simplicity I just want the alignment is left alignment, I don't want italic, I don't want underline, and I want simply color as suppose I have given yellow color. Fine, I just press OK. Now see, the style of my style has been changed now. Modify now. You are not satisfied this, you again modify. How to modify? Click on the style name, click on the modify, whatever the modify. Suppose I have given the name or the color is blue and I want font Cooper black. Okay, now see. Okay, this is my new style. So this is how you can modify your style. So at the starting, if I again explain what I have explained till yet, what is style? Style categories, there are 5 categories of style. How to apply the style? You can apply the style in 2 ways, from the style group, or the second one is from the style pane. Then I have explained you how to create your own style, and after then I have explained to you how you modify your style. So I think this is clear to you. Modify style is also clear to you. So that's all for this session, students. Thank you so much.